ये सब मेरी गैर मौजूदगी में हुआ। ऑल दिस हैपेंड इन माई एब्सेंस। ऑल दिस हैपेंड इन माई एब्सेंस। वह एक अच्छी नौकरी की आशा में मुझसे मिलने यहाँ आया है। He has come here to meet me in the hope of a good job. He has come here to meet me in the hope of a good job. मैंने अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के लिए एक स्पेशल उपहार खरीदा है। I have bought a special gift for my best friend. I have bought a special gift for my best friend. वह अमीर है, साथ ही साथ दयालु भी। He is rich as well as kind. He is rich as well as kind. मैं उसकी वजह से जा रहा हूँ। I am going because of him. I am going because of him. मैं तुम्हें कामयाब देखना चाहती हूँ। I want to see you up. मैं तुम्हें कामयाब देखना चाहती हूँ। I want to see you up. मैं रोज़ सुबह योग करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। I try to do yoga every morning. I try to do yoga every morning. मैं दीवार के आर पार देख सकती हूँ। I can see through the wall. I can see through the wall. किस खुशी में तुम मिठाइयाँ बांट रहे हो? In what happiness are you distributing the sweets? In what happiness are you distributing the sweets? मैं आपका भरोसा नहीं तोड़ सकता हूँ। I can't break your belief. I can't break your belief. मुझे यह फ़ोन का कवर बहुत पसंद आया। I really liked this phone cover. I really liked this phone cover. इसके बारे में इंटरनेट पर तलाश कीजिए। Look up about this on internet. Look up about this on internet. अगर तुम उसे बुलाओगे तो वह यहाँ आएगा। If you call him, he will come here. If you call him, he will come here. आज का सीन क्या है? What's the plan for today? आज का सीन क्या है? What's the plan for today? आप अपना ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं। You can place your order. आप अपना ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं। You can place your order. क्या तुम्हारे पास किसी चीज़ की कमी है? Are you running short of something? Are you running short of something? मुझे कुछ नया ट्राई करना है। I want to try something new. I want to try something new. क्या तुम्हें यह मुश्किल लगता है? Do you find it difficult? Do you find it difficult? आपको एक अच्छे टीचर की तलाश करनी चाहिए। You should look up a good teacher. You should look up a good teacher. यह बासी खाना है। It's a stale food. यह बासी खाना है। It's a stale food. मैं आज पूरी तरह थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा हूँ। I am feeling completely exhausted today. I am feeling completely exhausted today. कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything could have happened. कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything could have happened. चलो अब काम पर फोकस करते हैं। Come on, let's focus on work now. Come on, let's focus on work now. लोग तुम्हारे बारे में गलत सोच सकते हैं। People can think wrong about you. People can think wrong about you. मुझे अपना स्पेस चाहिए। I need my own space. मुझे अपना स्पेस चाहिए। I need my own space. तुम अपने खान पान पर ध्यान दो। Pay attention to your diet. तुम अपने खान पान पर ध्यान दो। Pay attention to your diet. अभी तक तो सब ठीक है। So far, everything is good. So far, everything is good. वह बकवास में वक्त बर्बाद करता है। He wastes his time in gossiping. He wastes his time in gossiping. अब किसी भी तरह बात को निपटाओ। Now settle the matter somehow. Now settle the matter somehow. अगर तुम वहाँ चले जाओगे तो मैं अकेला रह जाऊँगा। If you go there, I will be left alone. If you go there, I will be left alone. वह इसके लिए कभी भी राज़ी नहीं होगी। She will never agree to it. She will never agree to it. अगर मैं ये काम कल करूँगा तो चलेगा? Is it okay if I do this work tomorrow? Is it okay if I do this work tomorrow? अगर मैं अपनी गाड़ी यहाँ खड़ी कर दूँ तो चलेगा? Is it okay if I park my car here? Is it okay if I park my car here? अगर मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूँ तो चलेगा? Is it okay if I take a day off? Is it okay if I take a day off? अगर वह यहाँ आता है तो हम उसका स्वागत करेंगे। If he comes here, we will welcome him. If he comes here, we will welcome him. मैं उसे अच्छा दोस्त समझता था। I considered him to be a good friend. I considered him to be a good friend. तुम्हारी मदद के बिना मैं फेल हो गया होता। Without your help, I would have failed. Without your help, I would have failed. उनके मेरे ऊपर बहुत एहसान है। I owe him a lot. I owe him a lot. सच को झुठलाया नहीं जा सकता। The truth can't be denied. The truth can't be denied. शायद वो ये भूल गया हो। Maybe he has forgotten this. Maybe he has forgotten this. ये मेरी शराफत है। It's my decency. It's my decency. अब पछताने से क्या फ़ायदा, जो है सो है। What's the use of regretting now? It is what it is. What's the use of regretting now? It is what it is. तुम्हें बहुत परेशानी होने वाली है। You would be facing a lot of trouble. You would be facing a lot of trouble. मेरे पास बात करने का समय नहीं था। I didn't have time to talk. I didn't have time to talk. इसके लिए उस पर इल्ज़ाम मत लगाओ। Don't blame her for this. Don't blame her for this. अनजान बनने की कोशिश मत करो। Don't play innocent with me. Don't play innocent with me. हमें इसकी सराहना करनी चाहिए। We should appreciate it. We should appreciate it. मैं अब और शांत नहीं रह सकता। I can't be calm anymore. I can't be calm anymore. हमने जल्दबाजी में नाश्ता किया। We had a hasty breakfast. We had a hasty breakfast. ये वही टीचर है जिसने मुझे अंग्रेजी सिखाई। This is the ma'am who taught me English. This is the ma'am who taught me English. उसने तुम्हें ज़रूर फ़ोन किया होगा। He must have called you. He must have called you. वो बस आती ही होगी। She must be on the way. वो बस आती ही होगी। She must be on the way. तुम सच जानकर क्या करोगे? What will you do by knowing the truth? तुम सच जानकर क्या करोगे? What will you do by knowing the truth? उसकी सादगी का फ़ायदा मत उठाओ। Don't take advantage of her simplicity. Don't take advantage of her simplicity. कभी कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है। Sometimes we have to speak lie. Sometimes we have to speak lie. मैं वहाँ रुक कर करूँगा क्या? What will I do by staying there? What will I do by staying there? तुम अभी ज़्यादा परेशान लग रहे हो। You look more disturbed now. You look more disturbed now. तुम कितने बेरहम हो। How heartless you are. तुम कितने बेरहम हो। How heartless you are. उसने अपने ज्ञान का फ़ायदा उठाया। She took advantage of her knowledge. She took advantage of her knowledge. अच्छे से पकड़ लो, तुम्हारे हाथ से ना फिसल जाए। Hold it firmly, lest it slip out of your hand. Hold it firmly, lest it slip out of your hand. वो रो रहा है और तुम ऊपर से हंस रहे हो। He is crying on top of that you are laughing. He is crying on top of that you are laughing. ये तुम्हें चौंका देने वाला होगा। This would be shocking for you. This would be shocking for you. मैंने पहले से ही टिकट बुक कर दी। I booked the ticket beforehand. I booked the ticket beforehand. बहुत कुछ है सीखने को। There is a lot to learn. बहुत कुछ है सीखने को। There is a lot to learn. मैंने बहुत समय से तुम्हें नहीं देखा है। I didn't see you for a long time. I didn't see you for a long time. क्या तुम्हारा बेटा स्कूल जाता है? Does your son go to school? Does your son go to school? कोई जवाब क्यों नहीं देता? Why doesn't anybody answer? Why doesn't anybody answer? अपने आप को कभी अकेला मत समझना। Never consider yourself alone. Never consider yourself alone. नहीं, वो स्कूल नहीं कॉलेज जाता है। No, he goes to college, not school. No, he goes to college, not school. तुम्हारे चक्कर में मेरी बस छूट गई। I missed my bus because of you. I missed my bus because of you. वो किसी भी तरह अपना काम निकालना जानता है। He knows how to get his work done by hook or by crook. He knows how to get his work done by hook or by crook. मुझे किसी ने क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't anybody tell me? Why didn't anybody tell me? मुझे उकसाओ मत। Don't trigger me. मुझे उकसाओ मत। Don't trigger me. वहाँ कुछ अजीब लग रहा है। Something seems odd there. Something seems odd there. तुम्हें उनका घर आसानी से मिल जाएगा। You will find their house easily. You will find their house easily. तुम्हें ये करने से कौन रोक रहा है? Who is stopping you from doing this? Who is stopping you from doing this? दूसरों का मजाक मत बनाओ। Don't troll others. दूसरों का मजाक मत बनाओ। Don't troll others. वैसे तो वह बहुत अच्छा है मगर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। Although he is very nice, but I don't like him. Although he is very nice, but I don't like him. तुम जाओ या ना जाओ, मैं तो जाऊँगा। I will go whether you go or not. I will go whether you go or not. वो मुझे कहीं भी नहीं मिला। I couldn't find him anywhere. I couldn't find him anywhere. वह शायद ही कभी लेट होती है। She is rarely late. She is rarely late. कृपया मेरी बातों से नाराज़ ना होना। Please don't get offended by what I said. Please don't get offended by what I said. तुम्हें पढ़ने की इजाज़त क्यों नहीं है? Why are you not allowed to study? Why are you not allowed to study? मैं बताता हूँ कि मामला क्या है. Let me clarify what the matter is. Let me clarify what the matter is. वह मेरी बेइज्जती कराने पे तुला हुआ है. He is hell bent to get me insulted. He is hell bent to get me insulted. कभी तो अपने परिवार के साथ समय बिताया करो. Do ever spend time with your family. Do ever spend time with your family. तुमने मुझे रुलाया है. You have made me cry. तुमने मुझे रुलाया है. You have made me cry. उसको समझाने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. There is no use making him understand. There is no use making him understand. मैं ये तुम्हारी ही भलाई के लिए कह रहा हूँ. I am saying this for your own good. I am saying this for your own good. तुम्हें तैयार होने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take you to get ready? How long will it take you to get ready? तुम किस गलतफहमी में जी रहे हो? Which misconception are you living in? Which misconception are you living in? ख़याली पुलाव मत बनाओ. Don't make castles in the air. Don't make castles in the air. तुम हर किसी को खुश नहीं कर सकते. You can't make everyone happy. You can't make everyone happy. इस बात को ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ाकर मत बोलो. Don't blow this out of proportion. Don't blow this out of proportion. अगर ऐसा है तो मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ जाऊंगा. If that's the case, I will go with you too. If that's the case, I will go with you too. मुझे तुम्हारी यही बात नहीं पसंद है. I don't like your this attitude. I don't like your this attitude. ये मुझे समझदारी की बात नहीं लगती. This doesn't seem rational to me. This doesn't seem rational to me. वह रातों रात अमीर बन गया. He become rich overnight. He become rich overnight. मुझे पहले कभी इतना मज़ा नहीं आया. I have never had so much fun before. I have never had so much fun before. मेरी उससे कभी कभार मुलाकात होती है. I meet him occasionally. I meet him occasionally. मेरा उससे मिलना बस एक इत्तेफाक था. It was just a coincidence that I met him. It was just a coincidence that I met him. मुंह ढककर खांसी करो. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. सड़क पर मरम्मत चल रही है. The road is under repairing. The road is under repairing. उसके बारे में बात मत करो. Don't talk about him. उसके बारे में बात मत करो. Don't talk about him. मोबाइल तकिए के नीचे है. The mobile is beneath the pillow. मोबाइल तकिए के नीचे है. The mobile is beneath the pillow. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It is beyond my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. तुम्हें तो खांसी हो गई है. You have got cough. तुम्हें तो खांसी हो गई है. You have got cough. वो मेरे खिलाफ उसे भड़का रहा है. He is provoking him against me. He is provoking him against me. आजकल स्वार्थ का ज़माना है. Selfishness is common these days. Selfishness is common these days. ट्रेन किस समय छूटती है? When does the train leave? ट्रेन किस समय छूटती है? When does the train leave? उसने मुझे साफ मना कर दिया. He gave me a flat refusal. He gave me a flat refusal. तुम दिन रात उन्नति करो, यही मेरी दुआ है. I wish may God succeed you by leaps and bounds. I wish may God succeed you by leaps and bounds. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me. मैं आप पर अपनी इच्छा नहीं थोप सकता. I can't impose my will on you. I can't impose my will on you. तुम बहुत ज़िद्दी हो गए हो. You have become very obstinate. You have become very obstinate. उसने मैच में बहुत ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस दी. He had an incredible performance in the match. He had an incredible performance in the match. जितनी भूख हो उतना ही खाना. Eat as per your appetite. Eat as per your appetite. उसने सारी ज़मीन अपने अधिकार में ले ली. He acquired the whole land. He acquired the whole land. इस दवाई ने मेरा दर्द कम कर दिया. This medicine lessened my pain. This medicine lessened my pain. वो किसी भी बात को लंबा करके बताता है. He elongates his talks. He elongates his talks. इस झंडे को यहाँ गाड़ना है. This flag is to be dug here. This flag is to be dug here. ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना. Don't ever do it again. ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना. Don't ever do it again. मुझे उसके बारे में कल ही पता चला. I got to know about her yesterday itself. I got to know about her yesterday itself. अपने भाषण को लंबा मत खींचो. Don't elongate your speech. Don't elongate your speech. उसकी बातों ने मुझे हिम्मत दी. His words strengthened me. His words strengthened me. थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me for a while. Stay with me for a while. यहाँ सिगरेट पीने वाले काफ़ी हैं. Cigarette smoking is prevalent here. Cigarette smoking is prevalent here. इस शहर में इंग्लिश काफ़ी बोली जाती है. English speaking is prevalent in this city. English speaking is prevalent in this city. ये सब उसकी चाल है तुम्हें फंसाने की. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखो. Take care of your family. Take care of your family. वो ठंड से काँप रहा था. He was shivering with cold. He was shivering with cold. मेरे पैसे एक साल में ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. My money would run out in a year. My money would run out in a year. तुम प्रतिदिन कितनी देर पढ़ते हो? How much time do you read every day? How much time do you read every day? समय बहुत जल्दी बीत जाता है. Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. मुझसे गोलमाल बातें मत करो. Don't talk clever with me. Don't talk clever with me. तुम वहाँ कितने दिन रुकोगे? How many days will you stay there? तुम वहाँ कितने दिन रुकोगे? How many days will you stay there? मैं तुम्हारी सूरत तक नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to even see your face. I don't want to even see your face. वह फिसलकर गिर गया। He slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. मैंने तुम्हारी सिफारिश कर दी है। I have recommended you. मैंने तुम्हारी सिफारिश कर दी है। I have recommended you. ऐसा सोचना भी मत। Don't even think so. ऐसा सोचना भी मत। Don't even think so. मुझे मिलना जुलना पसंद है। I like socializing. मुझे मिलना जुलना पसंद है। I like socializing. कोई भी कपड़ा उसे फिट नहीं हुआ। Neither dress fitted her. Neither dress fitted her. तुम्हें बस बात बात पर लड़ना झगड़ना आता है। You only know how to squabble over trivial matters. You only know how to squabble over trivial matters. ऐसे भी क्या बिजी हो तुम? What is that which keeps you so busy? What is that which keeps you so busy? मेरा कल का दिन थकान भरा था। I have had a grueling day yesterday. I have had a grueling day yesterday. आखिरकार उसने मेरी बात समझ ही ली। Finally, he understood my point. Finally, he understood my point. वह नेता बना फिरता है। He poses for a politician. वह नेता बना फिरता है। He poses for a politician. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4 दिन लगेगा। It will take 4 days at the most. It will take 4 days at the most. वह आजकल पैसे कमाने के धुन में रहता है। He is obsessed with earning money nowadays. He is obsessed with earning money nowadays. लंबी आस्तीन वाली ड्रेस पहनो। Put on a dress with a long sleeves. Put on a dress with a long sleeves. गीला तौलिया बिस्तर पर मत रखो। Do not put wet towel on the bed. Do not put wet towel on the bed. जल्दी सोने की आदत डालो। Develop the habit of sleeping early. Develop the habit of sleeping early. जब मैं तुम्हारी उम्र का था मैं हर रोज़ 4 घंटे पढ़ाई किया करता था। When I was at your age, I used to study every day for 4 hours. When I was at your age, I used to study every day for 4 hours. आगे से मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं करूँगा। As of now, I won't help you. As of now, I won't help you. तुम्हारी बातों में आकर उसने यह गलती कर दी। She made this mistake being trapped in your story. She made this mistake being trapped in your story. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वह मुझसे गुस्सा हो जाएगी। At the most, she will get angry with me. At the most, she will get angry with me. अब जो है सो है, हमें इससे काम चलाना पड़ेगा। It is what it is. We will have to manage with it. It is what it is. We will have to manage with it. देखते देखते भीड़ लग गई। A crowd gathered within a few seconds. देखते देखते भीड़ लग गई। A crowd gathered within a few seconds. तुम इसे बिगाड़ दोगे, जैसा है वैसा छोड़ दो। You will spoil it, leave it as it is. You will spoil it, leave it as it is. चलो मान लेते हैं कि वह झूठ बोल रही है, पर सच क्या है? Let's say that she is telling a lie, but what is the fact? Let's say that she is telling a lie, but what is the fact?